Where's my son up in there? He in the room having fun. Oh, Lord, thank you. I'm able to hear my baby heartbeat today. The last few times that I have been trying, I have not been able to find it. Yesterday, I tried for maybe like 30, 45 minutes, and I could not find the heartbeat. I heard it like very faint, but no number showed up on the screen. And I was kind of worried, like really, that really affected me yesterday. But I am truly thankful that I'm able to hear my baby heartbeat and know my baby is okay, because I was kind of worried, and I was thinking that, well, maybe, you know, I'm not pregnant no more, or maybe, you know, something is wrong with something. But here it is. So weeks pregnant. So for anybody that's out there that's trying to find a baby heartbeat, just be patient. And if you can't find it, don't let it discourage you. Just try on a different day. And let that be. Because, girl, when I tell you I was so worried, I was thinking I was not pregnant anymore. And another reason I was thinking I wasn't pregnant anymore, because, you know, my symptoms, not, like my breast is not really sore how they were sore in the beginning. Like certain things, like my belly, not really. In my first pregnancy, the bottom of my belly by now was starting to like take a little shape. It's not doing that now. Like the bottom of my belly, like normal. But by my navel is coming out. So I don't understand that. And I have heard my baby heartbeat, and I cannot stop listening to it. I could keep this thing on my belly all day. Y'all just don't know. I am so happy to hear this heartbeat. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. So y'all have a blessed day. And once again, you all that's out there that's trying to find your baby heartbeat and can't, or having problems, don't let that discourage you. Don't, you know, start thinking negative and worrying or anything. Like I say, just try a different day. Maybe try on a full bladder, and go from there. So be blessed. Thanks for watching.